This is another LJ Take coming to you 3 minutes or less, giving you a quick update on the planters in front of your door. Let's take a look. Okay, you can see I have it off right now, but this is the drip irrigation timer that I have by Melnor. And I have different hoses to go to different things, and each zone comes on at a different time. That runs alongside the side of the house. You bury it into the mulch and you won't even see it. But when you go all the way around to the front, here's the plant. It's coming in beautifully. There's the other plant coming in beautifully. Had the sun patience. Planters that I have, I put some stuff in the bottom of them. I actually take the container that I have some flowers that I bought and I put them in there upside down, put some paper in there, sit the plant on top. These plants I get them from, buy 2 for 1 or something like that. And then I just take them out and put them in there. I use a little bit of potting soil. I use a little bit of fertilizer. These type of plants, these sun patience, you have to water them almost every day. I mean, if the sun hits them directly, they're great with the sun, but they need water. I set that timer off twice a day. Saves water, makes things go a little bit easier. And so just wanted to let you know, Father's Day is coming up. Put some nice plants out in front of the door. Welcome your guests. Keep it moving. This is Delon Jenkins. I'm back at it. Later.
Wanna waste our time